Today I'm going to go over a quick tip on Suno how to fix some artifacts with using the replace. So if you don't know about replacing, you just click on your song, the three dots, go edit, hit replace section. It'll be right here. And usually if you do get a nasty artifact like this song does, you're going to hear something like this.
Watching through your veins, draw near now, darling. Release yourself from all the chains.
Right there is the artifact, and now it's going to go off of that beat. So what happens is now this whole song is going to be out of like tune terribly.
Be wild, be free.
So it sounds fine right now, but as you go through, now you're getting some clipping and you're getting all this ear hurting noise. And to eliminate that is you find a good spot where you could start at. So I have a good pause on this now when she sings. So darling and all this, I could go ahead and copy this. But before I copy that, I'll have this highlighted. I will move on to this. I will move on to this where I get the point of darling. And then right here, I would get the whole thing. So I would type this in of that 0333.4, wherever it gets all the way over there. Oh, it's .4, .6 maybe. Yeah, it's .6. I would get the whole thing, copy right here, and then I will go and hit recreate. And the reason why we're doing this and not cropping and all that is because you still want the same beats. You still want the same style. When you crop, it's going to just bare bones. It's just going to go off that last beat you cropped it off anyways. So this is more effective in my opinion of fixing a song. So once you got that and you're creating, then you just wait till it goes. But example is when I already hit this, it'll be these ones.
Draw near now, darling. Release yourself from all the chains. Be wild.
I just don't like how it got the good segment, but to start the next verse, it to me is almost there. I gave it a thumbs up for a little bit.
Draw near now, darling. Release yourself from all the chains. Be wild.
Still a little staticky. And then the ones I just created.
Draw near now, darling. Release yourself from all the chains. Be wild, be free. Don't hold back, babe. I can feel your pulse.
See what it's doing, but it's not where I'm aiming for this song. But I did fix the artifact. And that's the tip of the day for Suno and how to fix artifacts. Better approach. It's going to cost more credits, obviously. But by doing this, you're going to be accurately getting to the point of your song to have a higher quality. Thank you.